not the easiest boat to get onto. So
It's easier this way, behind the...
Behind that? All right.
Yes.
And this is okay to step
Yeah,
on? All right. All right. All right. Well, thanks for
pleasure. Sorry
accommodating
we're
me.
slightly late.
No, that's quite all right. Did the showing go well, or?
Yeah, no,
Very
brilliant.
well.
Bits are a bit
Yeah.
rough around the edges, but that one's still that's way. So on here we've got a Yanmar 4JH80. Quite warm because we've been added on.
Mm-hmm.
So the E-drive, it's hard to spot because it's so small, but the E-drive is this bit here. So the black discs between the engine and the gearbox is the E-drive. So it is pretty small.
Okay.
And so with that, because the sail drive becomes a fixed location,
Yes.
you then have to move the diesel engine forward 150 millimeters.
Okay.
Then we have, so obviously cables coming out of it, motor controller at the back, it's the integral box there at the back. The motor controller takes the 48 phase voltage from the E-drive and then converts it into 48 volt DC.
Okay.
And it's doing everything at 48 volts is kind of the magic to make it all work.
Yeah. Cool. That's wonderful. It's a diesel engine with the electric drive attached
to it.
Yeah.
So then we've got 48 volts coming out of our motor controller. On this boat, that then gets fed to our batteries, which we keep under this box. I'll just lift you up a second. Then in here, we have two of our total of 4 Mastervolts MLI 6000s. Both of these are 6 kilowatts each. So that gives us a 12 kilowatt 48 volt bank on this side and a 12 kilowatt 48 volt bank on that side.
All right.
So our minimum requirement for a single setup is 24 kilowatts.
Okay.
Minimum requirement for a dual setup is then 36 kilowatts, and that is because of the peak charge that we create. So the dual is then 640 amps, and we need that amount of batteries to soak that power up and take that power. A few more boxes to show you. One is this little one here. So this is the PCU, power control unit, and that's the brain. So that is meaning that the user, owner of the boat, has virtually nothing to do. There's almost zero interaction with the product.
Okay.
But that's kind of doing everything for you. We splice into the Yanmar throttle. So we've got the Yanmar VC20 throttle up here, and we use that for both the diesel and the electric.
Yeah.
So when we're in electric, we're using it. When we're in the diesel, we're using it. And that goes in and out there. The diesel engine always has priority. So if our system, for whatever reason, goes down, there's a relay in there that latches across, and it means that the throttle is going directly to the engine.
Okay.
Absolute worst case scenario, you pull both plugs out and they're designed to be plugged straight back together. Our system's bypassed. You get back to the diesel. It's all about redundancy on a boat, which is great.
Yep. Right. Stern is clear. Pull you back a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, if he just pushes out a tiny bit, just to clear that boat.
Oh, so that's the electric drive.
That's the electric drive, yeah. How cool is that? So this boat does handle like a brick, unfortunately.
Yeah, single screw motorboats.
With the rudder.
With the rudder.
Yeah.
Big spade rudder. It's pretty good. So, one of the nice things about electric is we can choose what RPM the system comes in at. So the diesel engine, the idle speed of the engine somewhere between 700 and 800 RPM, depending on the engine. So when you engage the throttle, and we'll do it in a minute, you get that knock and the boat kind of lurches forward. With electric, we choose, through a lot of experimentation with customers, to come in around about 300 RPM. And it gets really nice, soft way of going off the dock. And all of our customers so far have said to us, now have experienced mooring with an e-drive, they're never going to do it with a diesel engine again.
Wow.
We're doing 500 RPM, we're only drawing 0.4 of a kilowatt. We've got 15 kilowatts available to us. Now if I pop us up to, I've got to respect the speed limit in here, but if I pop us up to about 1 kilowatt, you know, that's kind of idle speed for a diesel engine. So that kind of just put it into momentum. You know, we're only using 1 kilowatt. We've got 24 kilowatts of batteries here. That'll last for 24 hours. Obviously, you want to go a bit quicker. Pop us up to 3 knot speed limit. We only use a couple of kilowatts. So 2 screens. This one is the helm display. The one on the right is the diagnostic display. That can be a chart table in an electrical switchboard box. That does not need to be available for constant viewing. That is for changing settings, doing setup, seeing temperatures. There's nothing on here that the owner or user of the boat needs to interact with on a day-to-day basis at all.
Yeah, they just accept that.
Except here, so throttle, and then the, let's get past this boat, but if I then wanted to go from electric to diesel, really simple. So first thing I do is come back into neutral. Second thing I do is a mode button on here, which is that electric symbol there. So if you could press that for me.
This one?
That one, perfect. And then there's a diesel icon. If you can press the diesel icon. Perfect. That will change us over. Now I can turn the diesel engine on, and I can, with the same throttle lever, move forward in diesel.
That's great. It uses the same throttle lever. You don't have to.
This one's redundant on this boat.
Right. It's the setup, right?
So it's not generating power at the moment. It's just waiting until we're ready. Now it's producing already at 1,000 RPM. We're producing 5.5 kilowatts, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, that's 5.5 kilowatts is what you get typically from a really high output alternator.
Right.
And that's it just kind of ticking over.
Yeah, I like the seamless nature of it. It's just button here and then the same throttle.
Straight up to 12 kilowatts of generation. So it's a maximum of 15. This particular one, because it's on our test boat, we've taken the air cooling off it. So we've limited it to 12 for now. But we've put the air cooling ducts back on, we'll be able to get up to 15 kilowatts.
But all that energy is going straight into those batteries.
Straight into those batteries,
That's awesome.
Now on the Catamarans, what our customers have learned really quickly, without us telling them, they just learn how to do it, is they can have one diesel engine running, driving the boat at say 1800 RPM, doing 5, 6, 7 knots on and they're creating power in that one engine. Send that power to the e-drive in the other hull. You're now driving both propellers from one diesel engine.
Yeah, saving half the fuel.
That diesel engine's got to work a bit harder because it's generating power. It's not free energy. But the saving is 1 litre of diesel an hour, which range-wise is amazing. And then you're half the gearbox out, or half the engine hours. You know, you've got to do 1 or 2 hours, one engine, then 1 or 2 hours on the other engine to balance up all the
Nice.
engine hours. And also, if you're then doing a watch system,
Right.
someone can be asleep in the other hole that's under electric. And then our customers are kind of coined this e-sailing.
Yeah.
So where there's, like this morning where there's no wind,
Right.
they put the electric drive at like half a kilowatt, 700-800 RPM, and there's enough momentum in that fluid propeller
To create
to get
some.
the boat moving, apparent wind, and they're off.
Yeah.
So if I want to go back into electric now, so if you can press down.
So this one.
Yeah. So what it does now, because I've got the throttle down, it's not giving me the electric icon
Okay.
button, so I can't put it in electric. So we're stopping the customer from doing silly things.
Yeah.
Now if I now come back into neutral, that availability pops up. So I can now pop it back into electric.
Press this.
Yep. So the next time I move the throttle forward, even though the engine is on, the clutch is disengaged from the diesel engine and I'm moving in electric. So from a seamanship point of view, you want to know your electric engine's working before you've seen your diesel engine off. Now I know my electric engine's working.
Yeah.
Turn the diesel engine off and sail into harbour under electric.
Yeah. It's like when I tell my students before they leave the dock, make sure the gear shifters are working, throttle's working. Yeah. Okay, great.
So now we can go back in happy under electric, chatting about life in the Alps. I definitely want to get over onto the west coast of America sometime again soon. I do love it over there. Actually,
Where are you
San
based?
Diego's
Los Angeles.
San Diego's my favourite.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's a San Diego boat show in June. All right. Well, I appreciate it very much, Ed. Right?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, James.
Tom. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
I
so
think
much.
RM